This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing the clips you must remove. Pry off weather stripping, open panels, and clear fasteners so you have direct access. Use a trim tool to get under the clip. This preserves paint and prevents breakage. Once done, insert the panel tool behind the head of the clip and angle it outward. You want even pressure. Take your time. Rushing will deform the panel. If a clip is painted or corroded, spray a penetrating lubricant and wait a few minutes before prying. You now focus on the mid-stage, releasing the clip mechanism without breaking it. For push-type clips, lift the center pin gently until the outer retainer loosens. For rivet-style clips, push the stem through. Once the head clears, grip the base with needle nose pliers and pull straight out. If a clip resists, apply heat or penetrating oil, then work it back and forth to relieve tension. This prevents snapping. Make sure to keep each clip grouped by location, so you complete the job by cleaning clip wells and inspecting surrounding trim for damage. Debris causes poor fit and rattles. Fit replacement clips by aligning panel holes, inserting the clip straight, then seating the center until you hear or feel the click. This ensures proper retention. If a clip breaks or the boss is torn, use a short self-tapping screw with a washer or a specialty repair fastener as a reliable temporary fix. If panels still move, recheck clip type and seating, then tighten.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.